The kidneys are small organs in the lower abdomen that play a significant role in the overall health of the body. Some foods may boost the performance of the kidneys, while others may place stress on them and cause damage. In this video, we will show you 15 foods that make your kidney healthy. So keep watching the video and don't forget to like and share the video. Here is the list of foods that make your kidney healthy. Number 1. Apples. An apple is a healthful snack that contains an important fiber called pectin. Pectin may help reduce some risk factors for kidney damage, such as high blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Number 2. Strawberries. Strawberries may be small in size, but they are big in benefits. This delicious red fruit is a powerhouse of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. The fiber and nutrients in strawberries have been associated with heart protection, as well as anti-cancer and anti-inflammation properties. Number 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a nutritious vegetable that is high in many nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and the B vitamin folate. It's also full of anti-inflammatory compounds like indoles and an excellent source of fiber. Number 4. Cherries. Cherries have been shown to reduce inflammation when eaten daily. They are also packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals that protect the heart. Number 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with nutrients and one of the best sources of antioxidants you can eat. In particular, these sweet berries contain antioxidants called anthocyanins, which may protect against heart disease, certain cancers, cognitive decline, and diabetes. Number 6. Egg whites. Egg whites are pure protein and provide the highest quality of protein with all the essential amino acids. For the kidney diet, egg whites provide protein with less phosphorus than other protein sources such as egg yolk or meats. Number 7. Fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, and other cold water, fatty fish that are high in omega-3 fatty acids can make a beneficial addition to any diet. The body cannot make omega-3 fatty acids, which means that they have to come from the diet. Fatty fish are a great natural source of these healthful fats. Number 8. Red grapes. Not only are red grapes delicious, but they also deliver a ton of nutrition in a small package. Red grapes are high in vitamin C and contain antioxidants called flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation. Number 9. Garlic. People with kidney problems are advised to limit the amount of sodium in their diet, including added salt. Garlic provides a delicious alternative to salt, adding flavor to dishes while providing nutritional benefits. It's a good source of manganese, vitamin C, and vitamin B6 and contains sulfur compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. Number 10. Olive oil. Olive oil is a great source of oleic acid, an anti-inflammatory fatty acid. The monounsaturated fat in olive oil protects against oxidation. Olive oil is rich in polyphenols and antioxidant compounds that prevent inflammation and oxidation. Number 11. Radish. Radishes are crunchy vegetables that make a healthy addition to a renal diet. This is because they are very low in potassium and phosphorus, but high in many other important nutrients. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this info will help you to live a healthy life.